factor, definition, factor in a sentence, factor, pronunciation, factor, meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of factor. Factor. Fa-ctor. Factor. Factor as a noun means something that contributes to an outcome. Common usages in academic writing: to factor in, one of many factors, the main factor, a causative factor, a deciding factor, a contributing factor. Example sentences: factor, noun. The time of sunset was one of many factors found to influence feeding behavior. Example sentence number 2, the economy is regarded as the decisive factor in the outcome of the election. The common academic writing variation is factoring, verb. Without factoring in recent price hikes, the project should not exceed $20,000. Please write a sentence using factor in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know factor's pronunciation, factor's meaning, and how to use factor in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.